This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Chester, Virginia. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home. This home is located here in a very nice newer subdivision. Now, this subdivision is actually just a couple of years old. The subject property we're going to look at is just 2 years old, and it shows just like it's new. We are towards the front of the neighborhood, and there are a couple of notable things about this home that I wanted to point out. Number one is it is a green home. It's built by a green certified builder, and that means it's going to be more efficient than we have in a typical home. Some of the building practices take the environment into consideration with that certification. We've got a great looking exterior, a 2-car side entry garage. We're situated here on about 1/3 of an acre. And special thanks to my buddy, Bruce Richardson. He's a realtor that is very good in this local market. We actually just finished a transaction last week together. And that home actually I brought to you on video as well. It was also a relatively new home. And it's always great to work with other well-qualified, experienced professionals here in the business. We can see here we're fairly open to the adjacent lots, although I do see some fences in the neighborhood. If someone wanted to put up a fence, they could probably do so. And here in the rear, we have nice privacy to the rear, nice wood line, and there's a fence there on the other property. So a lot of possibilities here in this rear area. You could, of course, come in and reestablish some grass here and be in good shape this time next year. Our exterior is going to be a low maintenance vinyl. We've got vinyl all the way up to the soffits there. One of the great things about newer construction is that you would also get the benefit of any warranties that are currently in place. I was on a realtor Facebook page just the other day, and one of the agents was asking about performance with heating and air companies. She had a client that was under home warranty, and they just weren't getting good service. That's actually one of the things a good agent will do, is if their clients have problems, they can follow up with the agent, and the agent will put a little pressure on the warranty company. We usually have representatives that market to us because they want us to recommend their warranty company. And of course, if my clients aren't happy with the service and I call and they're still not happy, I'm not sending any more business that way. And agents can send a sizable amount of business to some of these companies. So they have a vested interest in doing the right thing, especially when a little pressure is applied. Okay, here on the front, we can see we've got a combination of stone and vinyl. I think that's a nice mix of textures on this property. We've got something going on there, but I'm sure we could have that taken care of with no problem. You've got enough space here on the front where you could put a few chairs and sit out on a nice summer day and enjoy the fresh air. So let's go in and take a look and see what we have in store. Okay, the first thing, I feel that the AC definitely works. It is hotter than fish grease out there today, and so it feels good to step in this door and feel 68, 70 degree temperature. Here in the front, we have carpet in this area. This room could go a couple of different ways. This could easily be a formal sitting room. This could be a formal dining room area, or if you wanted, it could simply be kind of office space. So a number of different ways to set it up. Some buyers may actually put some type of partitioning there or something to give it a little bit more privacy from the foyer, but of course that is a personal option. A lot of flexibility here in this space. We move into the family room, and here is our open concept. We've got plenty of space here. Both of these rooms actually have recessed lights. So you've got that nice modern look, nice and bright in this home. And here, convenient to the front door, is going to be a coat closet. As we step into the kitchen area, love what they did here with these ebony cabinets. They just look gorgeous. We've got 42-inch cabinets. This is going to be a island with granite. Look at the layout here on the island. We've got this portion here, which is actually a place where you could put bar stools, and then some additional cabinetry here on this end. So that's a really smart design. This does not have an actual pantry, but these closets here would actually take that place. So we've got extensive amount of cabinet space, and look at that, you just got plenty of area there for storage. Here on the other side of the island, we're gonna have our stainless dishwasher. Right there, we've got a nice deep stainless sink as well. On the other side, our gas stove. Right there, looks great. Once again, stainless. It doesn't look like anybody's really even used it. So we've got great condition. Our range hood. And in the distance, we can see they actually mounted our microwave here on this wall. The refrigerator with ice and water in the door does convey. And let's make a left here. As we do that, to the left is going to be an actual bedroom. This is going to be a first floor bedroom. This is not the primary, but this room could go a couple of ways. This could either be a homework room, this could be home office, or this could be guest space, guest bedroom space. If you had someone with mobility issues, they didn't have to go up and down the steps. There's enough space in here. You could probably do a queen size bed in here, and then we are connected to a 3/4 bath. So that's super convenient. We've got LVP on the floor. The cabinetry picks up on the cabinetry that we have in the kitchen, and our stand-up shower. Now, there is a door that is right here that's going to take us through, and I'm actually going to go the other way so you get oriented. Here in the hallway, that's the same door that'll take us into that bathroom. So we've got the ability to use that if you are here on the first floor and don't want to go upstairs. You have access without going through the actual bedroom. To the right, this is going to be a understair electric water heater. To the left is going to be a nook. Now this is where you could put that bench and some hooks and make this what we call the drop zone after coming here through the garage. So the idea is you could come into the garage, park, and then sit down there on the bench and take off dirty shoes, dirty boots, and hang jackets right there. Our side entry 2-car garage does have an opener, and we have irrigation as well in this home. And our irrigation controller is right there. Now, one of the things about irrigation is that when you're buying a home that has an irrigation system, sometimes it's a good idea to have an irrigation company actually do that inspection. It's not really something that a normal home inspector is going to do. A normal home inspector is not going to give us a thorough chimney inspection either for homes that have fireplaces and wood burning fireplaces. All right, that's going to do it for our first floor. Let's go on up and see what our second floor has in store. Just yesterday, we started the Best of contest for the Richmond Times-Dispatch. As many of you already know, this will be my 4th year making the nomination stage. I have been nominated again as one of 5 agents here in the Metro Richmond area. We've got a text to vote feature. I'm going to put that number below. Please take all of 10 seconds to go ahead and vote. They do allow daily voting, so I would definitely appreciate your support. I work hard to bring you information and videos, and definitely love what I do. So if you could support me in that manner, we want to make it a three-peat and see if we can go ahead and get recognized in that regard. Okay, this is going to be our hall bath. Love the fact that we've got a nice big double vanity, plenty of mirror space, nice and bright neutral colors here throughout this beautiful home. This is going to be a fiberglass tub shower. Okay, Delta shower head technology. Now, we are having record temperatures here on Earth, and when that happens, shower head technology is important. At least one shower a day, highly recommended. Some of us probably need more than one. So your good shower head will definitely go a long way in making life much better. All right, this is going to be closet, good size closet. One of the benefits of these modern homes is that builders knew that closets are important. So they go ahead and give consumers exactly what they want. Here to the right is going to be bedroom number 3. We are now on the front of the home. You could definitely get a queen size bed in there with no problem, and a nice sized walk-in closet. This is really good when we have secondary bedrooms with walk-in closets. Super convenient. Now, when they came out with this floor plan, I can look at it and I can immediately tell that there were probably a couple of different options. I'm going to go here to the staircase and look back down the hallway so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, when we look at this loft space, you can probably tell that if they decided to make an additional bedroom, they would just simply bring the wall from that corner in the middle of the frame straight down this hallway, and then the space that we're looking at right now could be an additional bedroom. This variation that the owners decided to do actually just made that a loft space. So a lot of people would actually make this an upstairs kind of family room where you could relax up here and not have to go all the way downstairs. It's great if you have a type of family setup where some people just want to be alone and want to do their own thing. May want to watch one program and somebody downstairs can watch a different program, both on very nice size televisions. Our second floor laundry. Look at that. You got beautiful cabinets right here over top of the washer and dryer. And to the right is going to be our primary bedroom. Now, they did a great job in giving us a nice space here in this bedroom. We do have a thermostat, which is right here, super convenient. You've got, it was 63 degrees. Wow, you got it nice and cold in here. They do have it set up to where you can control it from the primary, which is a really nice feature. This primary suite is going to feature 2 closets. So we've got one that's right here, and this is a nice size walk-in closet. We don't necessarily expect 2 closets when we have a walk-in style, but they went ahead and did that in this wonderful floor plan. And of course, our ensuite bath, just a massive amount of counter space there. We've got the 2-level vanity, so we've got additional storage there. Natural light will come in through that window that's between the mirrors. In the distance, here is going to be a closet. Very convenient. Put all your products there. And our walk-in closet number 2. And I think this is going to be the larger of the 2 closets. So we've got plenty of storage here in this primary suite. Our stand-up shower. This one does have ceramic tile that goes almost to the ceiling. Once again, we've got that Delta shower head. Really nice space there. And then our water closet is going to be here to the left. It's got its own door. And just a really nice, functional, open floor plan here in this beautiful home. I understand that rates are starting to dip just a little bit, so that's always a very positive sign. There are still incentives in place for first-time home buyers in particular, including 100% financing, grant money. We're starting to see some sellers actually give some concessions, so that's going to definitely free things up for purchasers as well. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It'd be an honor for me to help. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And more importantly, go ahead and hit that text to vote for me so we can go ahead and get your vote in. I appreciate your support. If you have any questions, Max Williams, 804-402-7788. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.